It is important that the court informs you that the state is then going to proceed with the charges as read out and explained to you in terms of the charge sheet. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Thank you very much. Steph?
Thank you. Your Worship, at this state request the matter be remanded for further investigations. What is outstanding, Your Worship, it's 4 statements, photos of the crime scene, ballistic report, the J88, copies of hospital records. Request, Your Worship, that the matter be remanded until 19 January for further investigations.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. 38-year-old man identified as Otebogo Mnisi aloboshiwe in connection with the murder of 2 young women lapha eMamelodi East Pretoria. Awu appearing ngandolo ke namuhla eMamelodi Magistrate Court namhlekuseni and ubonakale akhala guys lapha ngalesikhathi bakhuluma naye. Hey bekakhala bheke phansi ubona ukuthi mehlo Nkosi yami agqwele tinyembeti. It's like uyatibuta ukuthi is this really me, like ngikule situation lena, how did I get here? Mawumbuka nje umbona ngazuthi someone lo tisolako, someone lo tibona ukuthi hey Nkosi yami I'm in trouble, I am in trouble. Kuthiwa lo Tebogo Mnisi lona beka bouncer and he was dating one of the cousins and ubadubulile ke kuthiwa nje nguyilo ubadubulile wababulala lokhu sekushiwo umfana lo sesibhedlela because kahle they were 3. The other guy usenzile yena wakhona nokubaleka usesibhedlela nguye who is now living to tell the tale ukuthi what really happened and uyasho lo mfana ukuthi kahle Tebogo bekafuna kubadelete bonke bengabaqasha bonke. It's just that yena usinze ngokulambisa. So liqala la Tebogo balipostponele kumhla ka 19 January 2026 and he will remain in custody. Nkosi yami yoluka hleli njena kuze kuyofika January 19 January 2026 so lahleli ku custody. Christmas ngaka bo happy bangaka uyobahleli phakathi uyambona nje ukuthi uyajula uyazindla mani uyaqabanga ngize ngifise okungena emqondweni wakhe ngibone ukuthi kahle yini lo body lengaka le ayiqabangako. Bani labaningi lapha etinkundleni tokuqhumana bavakalisa kungavelani naye njengoba bathi njengoba bulele udeserve akufele ejele, udeserve kokuthi ayojeza ngokuthatha umphefemulo wemakhazini lamabili labi wathanzana. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.